So on a whiteboard, we draw the hind limbs. The hind limbs are used for hopping, and they are 5 in number. And then this is me introducing the webbed digits. Then we draw the trunk, which is flattened. Then the head and the mouth, which is wide for taking food. Then we draw the forelimbs, which is used for landing. It acts as a shock absorber. You notice that the forelimbs are 4 in number and the hind limbs are 5 in number. The forelimbs is used for landing. Then we draw the wide eye, the poisoned gland, and then this is me drawing the hind limbs in absential, the one that does not show. Then you make some little adjustment there. This is me making some little adjustments. Then you label your toad.